So how to square any video from your Windows without any third-party software. You can see this is the vertical video. So if you want to square it, you have to open edit with Clipchamp. It's a Windows default software, so you can easily use it. So this is the video. To resize it, press on this three dotted line and press on add video, and once you press on add video, then you can see the resize option. Now select square. Now add a video, add video, then press on import media. Now import the media file. So once upload, then simply drag and drop, then just resize it with your desired size. And once done, then you can see the export option. Press on export, then select where you want to export. You can select your folder as well. So once done, now if you check your video, then it's a square size. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.